Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate peanut butter caramel ganache frosting. This twist on classic chocolate ganache frosting uses peanut butter and caramel for a flavor explosion that is perfect for any cake or cupcake. So let me show you guys how to make it. So first we have 226 grams of dark chocolate in a large heat-proof bowl. And now you know I love using these mini dark chocolate chips whenever melting chocolate. But if you guys are using a chocolate bar, just be sure to chop it up into small pieces so it melts evenly. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we're just going to microwave this doing 30-second intervals until the chocolate is completely melted. Once the cream is hot and the chocolate is melted, go ahead and whisk it together to combine completely. Next, we're going to add in our caramel sauce and our peanut butter. Now we're just going to stir this together to combine it completely. Once the chocolate, caramel, and peanut butter are all combined, then it's time to let this sit until it sets. So you guys can let this sit out at room temperature, or you can pop it in the fridge to speed up the process. Just cover the top with plastic wrap. So we just need to let this set until it's firm and frosting-like. So once our chocolate ganache frosting is ready, then it's going to be stiff and it won't be loose anymore. And so if you guys want, you can mix this up with just a spatula, or if it's a little bit stiffer from being in the fridge, then you can whip it up with a hand mixer. Either works. I just left this out at room temperature for a couple hours, and this is what it looks like. So now this is ready to use on cakes, cupcakes, brownies, and more. Make sure to store anything made with chocolate ganache in the fridge. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more baking tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.